How to find low competition keywords with high traffic. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can find low competition keywords that are great in search results and they have high traffic. So let's get into it. Now, there are three tools that I'm going to be using, and I'm going to show you step by step how you can get the maximum amount of traffic with these keywords. Now, to get started, the first thing that you have to do is you have to deduce what kind of website are you running. So you have to make sure that the keywords that you actually input are related to the kind of website that you're looking to create. So let's say if I open one of these websites that I have created, and this is a accessory store, and this is like a bag store, so this sells bags. Now, if I want to add keywords, I'm not going to add like clothing to a accessory store because this is accessories and this is bags. So I'm going to add keywords that are going to be relatable to a person trying to find a handbag to purchase. So I want to make sure that my keywords are accurate, because if you have inaccurate results, you're not going to get traffic, and even the traffic that you will get, it won't be converting traffic. You're not going to have converting customers. You're just going to have people that were misled to believe that the product was something different. So to get started with finding our traffic, you're going to go onto keyword.io. Now, keyword.io is a simple and easy to use tool that is available online for free, and you can just click on whatever kind of keyword optimization you want. So if you want to optimize for YouTube, you can click on YouTube keywords. You can click on Amazon, Bing, Wikipedia, eBay, Alibaba, Play Store, Fiverr. So whatever platform you are looking to have the most amount of traffic on. So for this video, let's say we are looking to find keywords which will make our website rank higher on Google search results. So that's like the main purpose, having a higher rating on Google search results. So to get started, you're going to add your seed keyword into this toolbar over here. So let's say our seed keyword is bags, because that's what we're selling. That's our main product. And if you don't know what your seed keyword is, just take whatever product or service that you are selling and enter that over here. And that is going to serve you as your seed keyword. And you're just going to click on search over here. And once you click on search, you can take a look on your left. So on your left, you have all of these different keywords that you can get started with to add to your keyword list. So what you're going to do is on your left, you're going to have the selection, and you can just click on these ticks over here and add those keywords to your picked keywords and then export them directly onto your website. And this is why I really love using keyword.io. It allows you to add and create a list and add it to your website to easily add and remove keywords according to the main purpose of your website at the moment. So let's say bags Amazon, bags accessories, bags etc., bags emoji, bags ELO, bags gift, bags game, bags gallery. So you can see all of these are amazing keywords, and what you're going to do is once you click on your keywords, you're going to click on export, and you can sign up to use this as to download this as a text file, or you can copy these to your clipboard or import this into your Amazon keyword list tool. Now you can see you have quite a few different options directly from this tool by keyword.io. So if you want, you can continue on with our second process, which is going on to KW Finder. And by KW Finder, what you're going to do, you're going to add your location. So let's say I'm going to add the United States, and I'm going to add the language. You're going to select English. And what you're going to do is you can take any of the initial keywords that you found on keyword.io, and you can enter them on KW Finder. So you can enter any kind of keyword that you find initially, like the one you like the most, like bags, accessories. You can copy this and add this to KW Finder, or you can go back to your basic kind of product name or service name, and you can enter that on KW Finder. So I'm just going to enter bags once more to show you guys how simple it is to generate the keyword list. So now our list is being created, and you're just going to click on create account over here, and you're just going to sign up to their service. All you have to do is input your email address, input a password for your account, and the sign up is very simple. It takes less than a second, and you are just going to click on over here, verify that you're not a robot. So we're just going to do that. And now I'm going to click on next over here. I'm going to click on create my Mangools account. So now you can see over here, I have created my account and I have logged onto my Mangools account, and you have this list of keywords on your left. You have your keywords, and then you also have your SERP overview. You have the total keyword difficulty. You have the search volume for this keyword, and KW Finder provides you with a lot more details in comparison to keyword.io. So if you're looking for more details, then using this KW Finder is going to be a lot more convenient for you. So what you can do is you can take a look at the search. So you need to make sure that it has a greater search volume every month. So the larger the search volume, the more people are looking for this. And there are certain keywords, it could mean the same thing, but a certain keyword will be trending, so it's going to be more popular. So you can see instead of bags, tote bag is actually a far more likely term that people are going to search. So adding tote bag instead of just adding simple bag is going to give you a lot more hits in comparison just to like a simple listing. And using tags like Jacquemus, Celine bag, even if they are not, you could title or add descriptions that tell you about the design of the bag and how it replicates Jacquemus or Dior or something else. And in that way, you have incorporated that keyword and you have the best search results. So this app really provides you with a greater variety of keywords, and you can easily find the better search result for your titles, especially because let's say if I added bag to my title for my store on Wix, that would get me less hits than if I added Birkin bag. And if I add something like a Birkin replica bag or something like that, that could fit in with the description of my actual product or whatever service I'm selling. You can customize this or tailor this to whatever kind of service that you are providing or whatever product that you are selling. Now, there is another application that I'm going to talk about where you can find great keywords, and that is called SEMscoop. So SEMscoop is another keyword finder, and it allows you to find keywords in specific locations and languages. So let's say we are looking for English over here. You're going to select English. And then let's say I want this for Canada. So I can search for Canada. And let's say if I search for bag, and I'm going to continue with the same kind of example to show you guys the variability in different keyword tools. So I'm going to search for bag. And now you can see that it is going to load my keywords. And just as I search, I don't even have to log in or sign up. So if you don't want to sign up or log in or create an account, you can get started with SEMscoop right away. And you can see I searched for bag. This word has the keyword difficulty. It has the overall search seasonality. So when this keyword is being searched the most often and when not. And you can see currently there is a declining trend. But if I scroll on the left side over here, I can see related keywords that have better volumes. So you can take up any kind of keyword that you find would have a better search volume in comparison to the one that you initially picked. And this allows you to really customize and tailor the best keywords for your titles, especially for titles of products, because the title of your product is going to be a very effective communicator of whether you're going to get results on that page or not. And having a keyword like large tote bag or beach tote bag could really enable you to get the maximum out of your online store, whatever kind of e-commerce store that you are running. Now, if you take a look at all of these keywords, now you can add these custom, like you can go onto your select site over here, and then you can begin editing your product and add these keywords one by one, or you can also download these files. So you have the download options over here as well, where you can just click on export over here, and then you can just select whatever keyword. So you can select quite a few, and then you can click on export, and then you can click on copy to keyboard. And once you do that, you can go and create like a hidden part on the homepage of your website where it could be a white column with white text, and you can enter all of your keywords over there. And in this way, you will have all of the keywords entered onto your website without being a part of your actual visible website or without being visible to the people that are browsing your website. And this will enable you to add like as many keywords as you want, and you can really shove in keywords. If I was to say that I added like 1,000 keywords, I can't add 1,000 keywords with a limited site space or limited pages like my shop all section or my our story section. So I can't really fit in excessive keywords. It just sounds off and it sounds irrational. So that is why I recommend adding like a white section with white text where you can add all of your keywords. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful and you're now able to find the best keywords for your e-commerce store with the highest amount of conversion rates and highest amounts of hits with these keywords and these keyword tools. And these are the three basic ones. There are so many tools out there, but I find that these three in combination serve you to be the best for the customization and tailorization of your store. So make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.